Right guys, don't walk to Aldi, run to Aldi. First let's grab a basket and let's get to it. Right, grab yourself some carrots and they're 33 pence. Next we're going to grab yourself some chicken and that is £2.35. Also you want to get yourself some stuffing and that is 45p. Puff pastry, 99 pence. Next you want to grab yourself some milk chocolate, 45 pence. Next, a rice pudding, and they're 25 pence. And finally, a potato, and they're 23 pence. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy. What do you think about the ingredients?
Yeah, pretty good to be honest. I'm just starting off with peeling my carrots. This one here looks like a mouth with a big long nose.
Oh, it looks like one of those little rabbit things. And this meal was actually only £5.35. And look at that. Got a milk chocolate and a rice pudding.
So once they're peeled, just chop them up. And get those into your pan. And you want to boil these till they're a little bit soft. Next, we're just going to make the stuffing. Get the stuffing into the bowl. Add some boiling water and give it a good mix up. And I like to add a little bit of butter to mine as well. Next, I'm just chopping my chicken into small pieces. And that just goes into a nice hot oiled pan. While that's cooking away, I'm just going to peel my potato. And why not press the follow button for more savvy meals? Right, so I've just put the chopped potatoes into the air fryer, a little bit of oil, salt and pepper, give them a shake and get those straight in. Right, and now it's time to assemble the pie. So, I'm going to get the carrots in, then the chicken in. Like so. Give that spread out. Now I've made up some gravy and then I'm going to get that in as well. And you want the gravy to be fairly thick. So that thick. I'm going to get that in like that. Just so it's covering all the chicken and carrots, and then spread that around. And then with your stuffing, you don't need to make it into balls or anything like that. Just get a spoonful and pop that in randomly like that. Just add the little bit left of your gravy like that. Get your pastry on the top and you're just going to trim the sides and then flatten down the sides to the casserole dish. I've added an egg wash to the top. I'm just going to get that straight into the oven for about 20 minutes on 180. And that's ready to serve up, nice and crispy, packed with filling. I'm just going to get some potatoes on the plate now. Lovely hearty meal.
Tell you what, that is an absolute great meal, that. Look at that. And also we can have some rice pudding and you can have some chocolate in the bath tonight. Right, give us that fork. Oh, look at that, nice and crispy like my nan's feet. Right, Lucy's chicken stuffing gravy pie. Let's give it a try. That is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice. And there's loads left over as well. Give it a try, guys. £5.35. What a bargain.